Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you're new, please hit that like and subscribe button, and let's get right into today's video. So as you can see, we do have another package from Maniology, so I'm just going ahead and opening up the package. This time they did go ahead and let me choose 2 different types of stamping plates and 3 different types of stamping polishes. So I'm very excited to see them in person, because online, like on the website, they just look so beautiful, and I'm just so excited to see everything in person. If you are interested in any type of Maniology products, I do have a discount code with them, I believe, along with like a link you can use. It is in my description box under my like little link tree I have. If you click on it, I believe the code applies automatically. If not, I will have the code right next to the website on that link. So getting into everything I received that cute like little card. It has like a little discount code and everything like that. It has this cute little sticker in this package. I thought it was very cute. And then getting into the stamping polishes, this didn't have like a label, but I believe it's just because they're from different collections. So I was very excited when choosing this, because I try to stick to like the seasons, if that makes sense. I'm trying to find colors that match with like the end of fall, upcoming winter types and stuff like that. But I also like choosing certain ones that I just see that are so beautiful. Like this one here, it's a very beautiful like lavender purple type of color, and it was so beautiful, I just had to have it. I will be trying my hardest to leave the link below for each individual product, so that way if you're interested in just one of these products, you can go ahead and click on the link and just shop that specific product. This one here is a very beautiful like wine type of metallic-y looking color. It was so beautiful, like I said, I just had to have it, and I was so excited to receive it and to see it in person. And then again, same with this blue one, another like metallic-y type of pearlescent color, I would say. My favorite color is blue, so once I saw this on the website, I just knew I had to have it. And just look at that nice like pearlescent type of like shimmery stuff to it. I don't know exactly how to describe it, but it's just so beautiful. And then getting into the stamping plates, this one here, it doesn't have the name, but it does show the number here. So if you are interested in this stamping plate, you can look on the website just using like searching the number. And then this one is called like a graffiti. I would have to look at the listing, but it is some graffiti letters, and I didn't know exactly what stamping plate I wanted to get, so I did go ahead and choose this one, and I'll figure out a set to do with this one coming soon. And again, for this one, it's just the same like little numbers and letters here. So if you're interested in this stamping plate, you can just search those letters and the numbers on the website, and it will take you straight to this one. Or if I remember, I will be popping up the name of the stamping plates while I'm showing them, if that makes sense. And that one here is just like some French tip, swiggly, abstract type of lines. And then this is everything I received, so let's get into the video. So as you can see, we are going to be doing some quick press-ons. These are the coffin full cover tips I got off of Amazon. I will try to leave them linked down below. I do also earn small commissions if you purchase anything off of Amazon using my links I provide. So I try my hardest to provide those links for you, not just to earn the money, but just to help you guys out, because I feel like Amazon just provides so many good products, and they're super affordable. And if you pay for the Prime, you get them either the same day or next day. So I absolutely love that about Amazon. But anyways, I removed the shine from the full cover nail tips just using a buffer. And then here I'm just taking my Nails and Blinks hand file and just shaping up the free edge just a little bit to kind of get rid of that excess tab from the like nail tips, I guess. I don't want that there when I go in and do my stamping design later on. If you've seen by the length of today's video, also you will know that today's video is going to be kind of short, but it is like really short but also simple, if that makes sense. So getting into the gel polish, I will be using this color from Elegance Nail Supply. I believe it's from their new Bare Me gel polish collection. I did purchase like 6 of the colors from that collection. I plan on purchasing the rest very soon. I will be applying 2 layers of this milky white gel polish to all the nails. I didn't apply a base coat. Normally I would if I was making this for like a customer or something like that, but since it is just a practice press on set for like content purposes, I don't really feel the need to do all that extra step. Sometimes I do, but sometimes I don't, and today I just wasn't really feeling like doing that extra step. But if you're interested in doing that, go ahead and do that if you want to. But like I mentioned, I am going to be doing 2 layers. So here I'm doing the first layer, and then I will go ahead and cure for 30 seconds in the no light. And then once I am finishing up doing the second layer, I do go ahead and cure that layer for 60 seconds in the no light, just to make sure everything is nicely fully cured. So for today's video, I did know right away that I wanted to use like the French tip abstract line design from the stamping plate here. So I am going ahead and removing the blue film from the stamping plate. And if you have not received like any type of stamping plate and done this, it is so satisfying. I just had to leave it in for you guys to watch. Like, it's so satisfying in person, like hearing the sound of the film come off. I don't know, I might just be weird, but it was really satisfying. And then along with that stamping plate, I will be using the blue and the red, like wine type of color stamping polish for today's video. And then of course you need your stamping like cube thing and the scraper tool. And I am also using some acetone. It does say alcohol/acetone, but it is just acetone. And then I did put some double-sided tape on this paper here just to stamp off that excess product from the like stamping cube onto that. So getting straight into the design, I am using these two designs right here. The one that I just did, this bigger one, and then the smaller one right to the left of it. I will be using those two for today's video. So I started off using the red color and putting it on the stamping plate and using my scraper tool to scrape off that excess, and then using my stamping cube to transfer that to the nail. And then here, like I showed you, I was stamping off the excess onto that paper with the double-sided tape. And then to clean off the stamping plate, I put just a little bit of that acetone onto this paper towel here and just wipe away all that excess stamping product and stamping polish, and then just move on to doing the rest of the design. So I will be going back and forth between the red polish and the blue polish. Like I said, I am using these two stamping designs here just because I wanted everything to kind of be the same, but also use these two polishes just to show off the colors. I honestly could have just used any of these designs on top of these nails, but like I said, I kind of wanted everything to kind of be the same minus the two colors. So that is what I'm doing for today's video, but maybe in a future video I will go ahead and try out the other designs just so that way you guys can see how those look as well. So again, I am switching the colors back and forth between the red and the blue. So I will just go ahead and let you guys watch the rest of this process play out, and I will come back in just a little bit. So this is what the entire set is looking like after the stamping design has been completed. Just look how beautiful these two polishes are. So I am going ahead and just getting straight into the top coat. I will be using the Beetles gel top coat to top coat all these nails. I definitely could have added more design to this video, well, to the nail set, but I was kind of on a time crunch when filming this video because I was just so behind on everything that I just wanted to film a simple, like, beginner friendly video and just put it out for you guys. So that is why today's video is super short, but like I said, it's very simple and super beginner friendly for you all. And also, like I mentioned, if you're interested in any of the Maniology products, I do have their link down below in my link tree along with my discount code if you're interested. But after I am done top coating, I do go ahead and cure in the light for a full 60 seconds to make sure everything is nice and fully cured. But that is pretty much the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!